The 2025 BMW G310 GT is here to offer adventure seekers a thrilling yet accessible experience, blending compact design with big performance capabilities. BMW has designed this bike to bring more people into the world of adventure motorcycling, providing a versatile option that works well for both urban commutes and off-road trails. Starting with the engine, the G310 GT packs a 313cc cylinder engine that's known for being light and agile yet powerful. Delivering around 34 horsepower, it is just the right amount of power for riders to feel a rush without being overwhelming. The engine's unique backward tilting cylinder allows for a lower center of gravity, improving stability and handling, and giving riders greater control. This thoughtful engineering sets the G310 GT apart as a motorcycle designed for beginners and experienced riders alike. A key feature is its ride-by-wire system, allowing for more precise throttle control. This feature gives smoother acceleration and makes the bike respond to the slightest input with ease, which is especially helpful when riding on tricky terrains or through traffic. Additionally, BMW has equipped the G310 GT with a 6-speed transmission, giving riders flexibility across different terrains. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling rugged paths, the bike offers smooth and responsive gear shifts, making every ride comfortable and engaging. The G310 GT also stands out with its suspension and braking system, designed for safety and performance. Its inverted front forks provide better control, particularly on rough surfaces. The rear suspension has been tuned to absorb shocks effectively, enhancing ride comfort no matter where the road leads. BMW has installed disc brakes with ABS, ensuring that riders have reliable stopping power when needed, even in wet or slippery conditions. ABS can also be switched off for off-road adventures, adding a layer of versatility that will appeal to adventure enthusiasts. Another highlight is its ergonomic design, built with rider comfort in mind. The seat height is just right, allowing most riders to comfortably reach the ground while still providing a commanding view of the road. The handlebars are positioned perfectly to allow for relaxed riding postures, which is especially valuable on long trips. Coupled with a large 19-inch front wheel, the G310 GT is engineered to handle various terrains without compromising on comfort. On the tech front, the 2025 G310 GT has an LCD instrument cluster that displays all essential information clearly, from speed and RPM to fuel levels and trip meters. This easy-to-read display keeps riders informed without being distracting, allowing them to focus on the road ahead. LED lighting further adds to visibility and style, ensuring that the G310 GT stands out during both day and night rides. In terms of styling, BMW has given this bike a rugged, aggressive look that's bound to turn heads. Its dynamic lines and compact build embody the brand's sporty DNA, while remaining practical and approachable. Available in various color options, this model caters to riders who want a bike that matches their personal style. The 2025 BMW G310 GT is an ideal choice for those who want a reliable, high-performance bike that can handle both city streets and off-road adventures. With its blend of power, comfort, and technology, it's designed to make every ride an experience to remember. For anyone looking to dive into the world of adventure riding without breaking the bank, the G310 GT is a fantastic option that brings BMW quality to an accessible level.